Welcome to the Sugar Connect Managing Emails in Google Workspace video. In this video, we'll outline how to use Sugar Connect to easily archive emails, schedule emails to send later, use your Sugar email templates, and view tracked emails and related statistics. We'll begin with how to archive and schedule emails. Anytime an email is sent to or received from an email address associated with a Sugar contact, Sugar Connect can archive the message to that contact and its parent account. Emails will be archived to any Sugar contact, lead, or account that matches the email addresses in the to, from, CC, or BCC fields. There are several ways to archive emails in Gmail. Quick Archive to Sugar instantly archives the email and its attachments to Sugar and relates the email to matching records. Archive with Options allows you to choose which attachments to save and which Sugar record to relate the email to. You'll also use this option when scheduling an email to be sent later. Copy to CRM folder enables you to quickly save one or more messages on the next Sugar sync. Let's start by looking at the Quick Archive to Sugar option for existing messages in your inbox. When viewing a message, click the Sugar Connect icon and select Quick Archive to Sugar. You'll notice the message status at the top of the email page updates as the archive progresses. Selecting this option means the email message is instantly saved to Sugar and related to any records matching the email addresses in the to, from, CC, and BCC fields. Emails archived using Quick Archive to Sugar will be flagged with the Sugar Connect / Copy to CRM category as they are using the Copy to CRM folder. For new messages, compose your message by adding the recipient, subject, and body. Then, click on Sugar Connect and select Quick Archive to Sugar. When the message is sent, it will be related to any matching records. You'll see a message at the top of the screen confirming that the email will be saved after it's sent. Click Send, and you're all set. Next, let's move on to Archive with Options. This function opens a full archive window where you can manually select which Sugar records, such as contacts, opportunities, or cases, you want to relate the email to and which attachments you'd like to save. This option is available for both new and existing messages. Let's start with a new message. You can compose a new email, reply to, or forward an existing message. Before clicking Send, click the Sugar Connect icon and select Archive with Options. A pop-up window will appear, displaying any related entries for the message you're sending. You can check or uncheck boxes to indicate which records you want to relate the message to in Sugar. If the records you're looking for don't appear, navigate to the Search tab and enter your search criteria to locate and select the appropriate records. In the Attachments tab, you'll have the option to save email attachments and embedded images. The setting to save attachments by default can be managed through the General Options in the Sugar Connect Settings menu. Select the boxes for the attachments or images you want to save, or uncheck them if you prefer not to archive those items. Once your selections are made, a message will appear confirming that the email will be archived to the selected records after sending. Click Select Entries to close the archive window, then click Send. The email will be sent and archived to the selected records in Sugar. To archive an existing message, open the email in Gmail. Then, from the Sugar Connect menu, select Archive with Options. The process is very similar. A pop-up window will display any related entries. Select the records to archive the message to, then click Archive. You'll see a confirmation that the email has been archived to Sugar. With the Sugar Connect sidebar open, you can also select multiple emails to archive at the same time. When you select 2 or more emails, the sidebar will show options to Quick Archive to Sugar or Archive with Options. When selecting Archive with Options for multiple emails, please note the following. All selected emails will be archived to the records chosen in the Archive with Options pop-up window. You can choose to archive either all attachments included in the selected emails or none of them. You might wonder where these items go after archiving. The email content is added to the Emails module in Sugar. Any attachments you've archived will be added as new records in the Notes module. Once the process is complete, the new email and note records will be related to the records you selected during archiving. You can also use the Send Later feature, which lets you schedule an email to be sent at a specific date and time in the future, from Gmail. Once you've composed your message, click the Sugar Connect icon. Select the Send Later option. Select a time to send the message using the Your Time and Their Time prompts as guidance. To update the Their Time value, select a new value for the time zone field. You can also select Custom to choose a different date and time. Lastly, click Confirm. The email message will close and be queued to send later. Once scheduled, you can find the message by clicking the Scheduled Emails badge on the home screen of the sidebar. The message will also appear in the Sugar Connect Send Later folder under your Gmail labels until it's sent. These are the two locations where you can review emails scheduled to be sent at a later time. Now, let's take a look at how you can archive emails using the Copy to CRM folder in Gmail. When you installed Sugar Connect, a custom folder was created in your email client that you can apply to messages you'd like to archive to Sugar. This makes it easy to select and archive multiple emails at once to your Sugar instance. You'll find the Copy to CRM folder nested under Sugar Connect in your mailbox. To archive many emails at once, go to your mailbox and drag and drop them into the Copy to CRM folder. You'll see that those items have been moved into the folder. Once there, they will be archived to Sugar on your next server sync, which typically occurs every 15 to 30 minutes. When archiving email messages to Sugar using Copy to CRM, by default, no email attachments will be included. Navigate to Settings, General Options, and enable Save Attachments by default if you want attachments to be included automatically. A matching email address must exist in an account, contact, or lead record for the archive to succeed. Otherwise, the email will not be archived to Sugar. Now that we've covered scheduling and archiving emails, let's take a look at using Sugar email templates through Sugar Connect. Sugar Connect communicates with your Sugar instance to retrieve email templates that you've created. When you use templates in Sugar Connect, any variables included are detected and automatically populated. Templates can be used when creating a new message, replying to, or forwarding an existing message. To access your email templates when writing a new email, click on Sugar Connect and select Insert Template. From there, a pop-up will appear on your screen. Within that pop-up, you'll see a list of templates you're allowed to view based on your team membership, user type, and any assigned roles in Sugar. You can select an existing template, search for one by name, or expand the action menu to select Create Template in Sugar. This option will open the Emails module in your Sugar instance. If you don't see the template you're looking for, you can also select Refresh to reload the list of templates from Sugar, ensuring the most up-to-date content is available in Sugar Connect. We're going to select an existing template. Once selected, a preview of that template will appear on the right-hand side. If you need to make any changes to the template, click Edit Template. This will open the template directly in the Emails module in Sugar, where you can make your edits and save. Just remember, after editing your template in Sugar, return to Gmail and click Refresh to ensure you're using the latest version. If everything looks good, click Use Template. The email template will be inserted into your message. You can then make any final edits and click Send. Last but not least, let's talk about email tracking. Be sure that email tracking features are enabled in both the sidebar settings and the Sugar Connect portal. These two locations mirror each other. Any changes made in one will automatically update the other. While composing an email in Gmail, click the Sugar Connect Toggle Tracking button. The email will be tracked when the target is blue. When it is gray, the email will not be tracked. Click the Track Email button again if you wish to cancel tracking. There are two areas within the sidebar where you can view the emails you're tracking. Clicking the Tracked Emails badge opens a list of individual emails in the order they were sent. Clicking the Tracking Activity badge displays a list of all email opens, link clicks, and replies in chronological order. You also have the option to view more detailed reporting on your tracked emails through the Sugar Connect portal. With that, you should now understand how to archive emails, schedule an email using the Send Later option, use your Sugar templates within Sugar Connect, and track emails as a Google Workspace user. Thanks for watching.